Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit green screen in InShot. If you're new to InShot and you don't know how to edit green screen, I'm going to show you an easy way to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the InShot app on your phone and now choose your preferred option. Here, at first we'll choose a photo or video as our background. For now, I'll choose a photo as a background and click here to add it to your timeline. Now, since we have our photo here, we have to add the green screen. To do that, simply click on PIP and choose the green screen video that you have. Now resize your green screen according to your preference. And now scroll to the menu and you'll see a cutout option. Click on it and you'll see two options, cutout and chroma. Simply click on chroma and take this to green color like this, and you can also increase the strength of chroma to remove the greens from your video, and click here to save changes again. And now if we play our video, it'll look like this. And click here to save changes. And just like this, we can edit green screen in InShot. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.